Bose docking stations face three main categories of problems: power failures, audio output issues, and connection difficulties. These problems become more common as hardware ages and newer devices create compatibility challenges. Power issues are the most common problems with Bose docking stations. Start by checking if any LED indicators are lit. If there are no lights, the power supply may have failed completely. Use a multimeter to test the power adapter output voltage. Check the power cable for any visible damage, cuts, or bent connectors. Also, verify that your wall outlet is working by testing it with another device. Watch for these specific power symptoms: complete absence of LED lights, intermittent power cycling where the unit turns on and off repeatedly, or situations where your device charges but produces no audio output. Audio problems can manifest in several ways. Start by checking volume levels on both your device and the docking station. Many issues are simply volume related. Test the dock with different audio sources to isolate whether the problem is device specific. Check for loose connections inside the unit and listen carefully for crackling or distortion patterns that indicate specific component failures. The three most common audio problems are complete silence despite proper connections, distorted or crackling sound especially at higher volumes, and one-sided audio output indicating speaker or amplifier issues. Connection problems often stem from dirty or corroded connectors. Clean the docking connectors thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol using a cotton swab or soft brush. Carefully inspect the connector pins for any bending or damage. Test the dock with multiple compatible devices to determine if the issue is device-specific. Check for available firmware updates that might resolve compatibility problems. Common connection issues include devices not being recognized when docked, loose or worn connectors that don't make proper contact, Bluetooth pairing failures on newer models, and compatibility problems after device software updates. These basic troubleshooting steps can resolve many common Bose docking station problems. Regular maintenance like cleaning connectors every few months, avoiding incompatible devices, ensuring proper ventilation, and using surge protection can prevent many issues from occurring. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced repair strategies can restore your Bose docking station. Power supply issues are among the most common problems, often caused by aging capacitors that need replacement. Audio problems require systematic testing of speaker impedance and amplifier circuits. Using a multimeter, you can diagnose whether the issue lies in the speakers themselves or the amplification circuitry. Connection issues often stem from dirty or worn docking connectors. Regular cleaning with isopropyl alcohol and adjusting connector spring tension can restore reliable connections with a 75% success rate. The docking station market is evolving toward wireless solutions. Modern alternatives include Bluetooth speakers, wireless charging pads, and USB-C universal docking systems that offer greater compatibility and convenience. Repair is worthwhile when costs are less than 40% of replacement value. Consider the original unit's sentimental value and whether replacement models offer the same features you need. Preventive maintenance can extend your docking station's lifespan. Clean connectors every 3 to 6 months, use surge protection, maintain proper ventilation, and avoid overloading with incompatible devices. Seek professional help for internal component replacement, power supply work, or when safety concerns arise. Professional repair services have the expertise and tools needed for complex circuit board repairs and warranty considerations.